Hello everyone. I would like to one question from all of you. According to you, which platform would you like to use for email marketing? I think most of you must be thinking about Gmail, Yahoo or Rediff. No, email marketers don't use any of these platforms as these platforms are meant for personal or business communication only, not for the promotional purpose. So in this video, I will briefly discuss various platforms that are being used by the email marketers. So let us start. Constant Contact. First, we have Constant Contact bulk mail sender that you can use for email marketing. This is a premium platform. However, you can use it free of cost for 1 month. Let's have a look at few features of this platform. It supports drag and drop editing. That means various elements of email like images, links, fields, videos can be added to the mail by just dragging and dropping. According to official website, it helps in driving more sales in less period with automatic systems. Further, it supports e-commerce email marketing, where you can acquire new customers, engage them, and segment the customers on the basis of some predefined criteria. By using this platform, you can manage the contacts easily, like you can directly upload the Excel file, data from Salesforce, or data from any other source. This is a great tool to measure the email marketing efforts in the real time. You can easily see who's opening, clicking and sharing the mail. By using this platform, you can easily automate your email marketing campaigns, run survey and polls, run donation campaigns and other things. Let's check the pricing plans. At cheapest, you can send 10,000 mails per month at just Rs 323, along with the other features. Similarly, you can browse for other plans as well. Just go to the website of Constant Contact and have more knowledge about the features of this platform. GetResponse. GetResponse is a popular email marketing platform, but it offers you many more features just than email marketing. According to the website of GetResponse, it has more than 350,000 business users as on date and are further growing. It has some very good unique features like designing of landing pages, setting of webinars, and auto funnel. This platform has a power to integrate with most of the popular apps like WordPress, Facebook, and PayPal. The interface is very intuitive and simple and supports drag and drop features. Similar to other platforms, it has all advanced features of email marketing like segmentation, A/B testing, autoresponder, and software integrations. This platform is very suitable for medium size of businesses and doesn't require any technical skill. As far as pricing is concerned, it's a bit costlier, and the basic plan of 1000 mails per month starts at $15. There is a free trial of 30 days period as well, where you can access all the features of this platform. MailChimp. MailChimp is a simple and very effective tool of email marketing, primarily used by bloggers and small websites because of its free plans. The popularity of this platform can be seen from the statistics provided on its website that over 1 billion emails are sent per day using this platform. This platform has all advanced features that are essential for email marketing, like email automation, landing pages, integrations, social media ads, etc. Under free plan, you can add up to 2,000 subscribers and send 10,000 mails per month free of cost. Most of the bloggers and small businesses are using this platform because of its cost effectiveness. Now the good news. Even in our course, we will learn how to use MailChimp for email marketing purposes. Just wait for that. Aweber. Aweber is another very popular tool for email marketing almost for 18 years on the market. It has all important features starting from basics to advanced. You will get access to drag and drop email editor, pre-designed email templates, email automation, split testing, autoresponder, and integration to various platforms. Further, you may have insight about how customers are opening, clicking, and share your mails. You can access to various features of Aweber by subscribing to the 1-month trial period. Drip. Drip is the fastest growing email platform specially designed for bloggers, marketers, and e-commerce websites. This tool is often called intelligent marketing automation as it does so many things for you like collection of customer data, personalization, engagement, and optimization. This platform is suitable for those businesses who sell lot many products and want to create complex marketing sequence. The good thing about this platform is that it is starter plan up to 100 subscribers and sending unlimited mail is free forever. Similarly, there are other email marketing platforms like Sendinblue, ConvertKit, Keep, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign. You may explore them further by visiting the respective websites, and I have given the link of these websites in the description. So this was an overview of email marketing platforms. The purpose of showing you various features and pricing plan was to apprise you about the email marketing industry. The choice of an appropriate email marketing platforms depends on your budget and the scale of your business. In the next module, we will learn about basics of email marketing campaigns using MailChimp by understanding each and every step of it. So join me in the next module. Thank you so much for being with me.